But look at the cloud. Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. As you can see, we have big red dots and it's coming up on my direction. So let's go outside. Those are called thunderstorm with active system. So let's go outside, look at them. All right. All right, folks. So it's kind of dark. I'll let you look at the sky upstairs. Look at the cloud moving. And by the way, they're doing the asphalt down there. The crew just left. The asphalt machine is right there. But look at the cloud. Oof. Yeah, it's kind of windy. Oh. I'm gonna go on the other side. Stick around. Oof. The downpour is coming up. Oh. Alright folks, time to protect myself, go inside the home, so stick around. Cheers. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. It was pretty stormy last night. As you saw in this video, that was only the first thunderstorm, but we had 3 in a row. And the third one was so bad, it was dark outside. It was so dark that we lost power momentarily for half an hour. And the amount of rain that we received, it was, oof. I mean, the street was flooded. All right. Now, today it's still warm outside. It's roughly 34 degrees Celsius with a light wind. And tonight the temperature will drop, and tomorrow will go back at 24 degrees Celsius. So it will be more manageable, and that will be the end of that heat dome that we suffer. All right, now on my Wednesday shout out video, I'm gonna talk about an outstanding gentleman. His name is Ingemar Dean, and Ingemar he's the one I made a shout out about him, about fixing the control on his Mahindra Emax. And also he bought a new Mahindra tractor, and he sent me a nice little gift that I didn't open. So let's open it with my famous bayonet, self-made bayonet with my famous word color. So I'm gonna be very delicate about opening it, like very slowly but surely. Woohoo! And let's open. It's a Christmas decoration, but inverted. So I'm just gonna open it like this. I hope you're able to see me. And oh, and there's a postal card inside. Where did I put my glasses? So he's got a letter to Mr. David Martel. Let's open that. And thank you very much, my friend. So let's open this. All right. June 1st. So I received it at the beginning of the week. Yes, the Canadian Postal Service here, it's quite rough. Good day, David. Hope this find you health and well. Yes, I am, and I hope you do. You are too, because Ingemar had his landing gear changed, his knees, I believe. Yes, it is. First of all, thank you for your 39 years of service to our great country, Canada. Salute. Thank you very kindly, my friend. Yes, I'm doing my 39 year service, and I will be starting my 40th one the 1st of December, the 1st of the 3rd of December, something like that. So thank you very kindly. As you know, I purchased a new tractor, Mahindra B26 XLT. Thank you for your forgiveness. Yes, because he had the same tractor that I had, the same model. But I understand Mahindra make outstanding tractor, and he needed to go a little bit bigger. So, and the B26 is outstanding for this. I will be doing a walk around video probably before you receive this hat. I'm just looking. Yes, he did. Yeah, right there. The June 1st is showing his Mahindra tractor. If I can show it right there. So he's going to a very nice looking Mahindra tractor. I knew you would like it, so enjoy it. Stay safe. Thank you very kindly. Ingemar fix or repair daily. So you can see his tractor right here, very nice with the backhoe. So that will be very nice. And I'm gonna put the link of his channel, Fix It or Repair It Daily. And he's gonna start making, he's already making videos and talking about I know he changed the caliper on his 2012 Jeep Wrangler. And yes, I'm gonna open this hat. That would be a very nice with wow. Look at the nice Mahindra baseball cap. If usually that would be very nice. Thank you very kindly. Holy smoke. Yeah, wow. So yes, I will keep it very preciously. Perhaps I'm gonna do use it on my while I'm driving my tractor. So again, thank you very kindly, my good friend, for this very nice gift. The very well written letter. And for you good folks, go see his channel. It's gonna be on my description, video description. He's got 13 subscribers. He made 38 videos. He's got also shorts, I believe. Yes, when he had his both knee surgery. He's got various videos about the Jeep Wranglers. Yeah, so he's just what did he write down? Jack of all trades, master of none. No, Ingemar is very good doing machinist work, because the control that he fixed it. I have my video on that. I'm gonna put it in the video description. All right, so please make it short. Take care of yourself. Thank you very kindly, my friend. And for all you good folks, let's communicate, exchange information, and remember, life is very good. All right, cheers.